Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I am always looking for a waterproof mascara that is also volumizing. And this M.A.C.Stack Waterproof has definitely given me what I've been looking for. The formula has a nice consistency without being too wet or too thick. It really provides that fullness that I want. The brush is great at distributing the mascara through my lashes, and I also like how the stiff bristles provide some separation for my lashes too. The tip of the brush is kind of spiky, so if I really want to pinpoint some volume in my lashes, I can turn the brush and really pack on some product in maybe some little sparse areas. I can really stack on the layers with this mascara to really customize the amount of fullness that I want. No matter how many coats of this mascara I apply, I've noticed that it really resists clumping and flakiness. It has amazing staying power even if it is a little bit drizzly or rainy or damp outside. My mascara look lasts all day. This M.A.C.Stack Waterproof Mascara has definitely been the one that I have been reaching for lately if I am expecting my eyes to be in contact with any moisture. And that's my point of view.